Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML. And right now we'll be discussing about XHTML doctype, which is mandatory. An XHTML document must have an XHTML doctype declaration. The HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and the body tag elements must also be present, and the XML-NS attribute in HTML must specify the XML namespace for the document. So I'm going to explain what is going on right here for you guys. So stay calm. Right here, as you can see in our document, let me take you to our previous document that we have. You can check the full playlist on our HTML versus XHTML to know why we are here and to know where we've been coming from. So as you can see, we're having this h1 tag along with this p tag right here. Let me show you the document. The document is here. So what this document is saying here is that the doc type must be present. Like this doc type at the top here, you must not remove it out of it. Like in your normal HTML code, you used to write the doc type like this, HTML, and you write HTML like this. But in this one, which is the XHTML, you will need it in this manner. It will have this HTML attribute along with this public attribute along with all these values inside the double quote. That's what they are trying to say in the document. So anytime you have to write your XHTML document, you must have this doc type there along with all these values. So that's what I want to show you guys right here. And once again, an XHTML document must have an XHTML doctype declaration, and the HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and the body elements must also be present, and the XML-NS attribute in HTML must specify the XML namespace for the document. That's what I'm trying to show you guys right now. Anwar akorede is my name. I don't want this tutorial to get longer than I expected. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.